Welcome to our English learning adventure. We use am when talking about ourselves. How to use. Use am with I only. Example, I am happy. We use is for a single subject. How to use. Use is with he, she, it, or one thing. Example, he is my friend. We use are for multiple subjects. How to use. Use are with you, we, they, and plurals. Now let's check what you've learned with some examples. Fill in the blank. She underscore a teacher. Choose the right verb. She underscore a teacher. Your answer. She is a teacher. Fill in the blank. I underscore eating lunch. Choose the right verb. I underscore eating lunch. Your answer. I am eating lunch. Fill in the blank. They underscore happy. Choose the right verb. They underscore happy. Your answer. They are happy. Let's recap what you need to remember. Use am only with I. Is for he, she, it, or one thing. Are is for you, we, they, and plurals.